How to delete a public profile on Snapchat. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Snapchat application on your device and make sure you are signed in. Now, tap on your Bitmoji on the top left of your screen, and in the interface that you will be led to, you will see the option for public profile right beside my account option. So, tap on the public profile option you see there, and further in the interface that you will be led to, tap on the settings option on the top right of your screen. Now, scroll down to the bottom and you will see the option for clear public profile. Tap on that, and in the confirmation that appears, tap on clear, and with this, everything that you have added to your public profile will be deleted, including your bio, your profile photo, your public stories, and stories saved to your profile. Snaps that you have submitted to Spotlight or the Snap Map will also remain and will not show your name unless you use your public profile again. So, this is how you can delete a public profile on Snapchat. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.